try to spend as little money as possible doing this shit. The number one thing that'll probably turn you off of doing this music shit is how much everything costs. Learn how to shoot videos if you don't want to pay $1,000 for a music video. Or barter a service with a nigga that does shoot videos. Be like, okay, nigga, I'll give you bud for the low. Or I have a service that I could give you, like, oh, I work at this bar, I'll get you in for free all the time, free drinks, everything. Like, build like a bartering relationship. Or learn how to do the services yourself so that you don't get blown away. I was never stopped by anybody to release music, ever. I've never had to wait on anybody to release music. I mix, master, produce, record, all the shit. And if I am collaborating with people, it's with the intention of collaborating. So definitely like find a way to like be as effective as possible. And then learn as you go. Like learn as you, there's no one way to do it, and just work on improving.